Hello, beautiful people. This is the video number 31, and I hope you are doing well. So, in this video, I want to share with you 7 mistakes which is done by the newbie entrepreneur. Guys, this is a very powerful video. If you want to start your entrepreneurial journey, or you are just started your business, so because you know that out of 190 businesses will fail within the 1 year. So that's why, because the newbie entrepreneur does lots of mistakes. So I want to cover all these 7 mistakes which is done by newbie entrepreneur. So it is very powerful video for everybody. So let's begin without wasting time. So the first mistake which is done by the newbie entrepreneur is that they have no plan. They don't have a plan, and they started their business without planning. And this is the biggest mistake. If you are doing business or starting your business, want to start your business, because without plan you can't achieve anything and you can't succeed any work, right? Either business or either any things which you want to be successful in that. You must have a plan if you want to do anything. So that's why number one thing is that newbie entrepreneur is that they don't have plans. So if you want to succeed in your business, you have a plan. So how can you run your business, or all the things you can plan about that, which is a requirement for your business, right? So the first mistake we have covered in this video. Now we will let's discuss the second point, which is that spending too much money in the first. The newbie entrepreneur, they are you know they want to invest money only. They don't know whether whether we are investing right or wrong. They only investing money without knowing that this will not give profit, right? So not burn your all the money in at first. At least kept money in the bank or in your pocket, for surviving your business, right? If your business is like the service, like the restaurant type of business or anything which require daily investment, right? For raw material or something, you have to keep money in your bank or in your pocket to survive your business. Because if you start a business, it is very difficult to become profitable from day one, right? You will have to give some time, you know at least 5 months, 6 months. In some businesses you have to give time around 1 year, then you will become profitable. So till now, you know you have to keep the money in your bank, so you can survive for a longer time. So we have also discussed the second point. Now we can discuss the third mistake which is done by entrepreneur, newbie entrepreneur, is that you know they hiring soon people. This is a common mistake, because the people, newbie entrepreneur, think that if they hire the people, they will grow faster in the business. That's right. That's right, that but in starting you will not hire the employee, because in starting you have very limited money, and you have to work with you have to work, right, alone, right? In starting, if you invest, and if you invest money on the employee, there is lots of chances that your money will waste, not it will be not give benefit for your business. That's why not hiring soon employee. At least start try to do yourself, and if you are not able to handle all these things, then you can hire somebody, right? So not hire soon employee. This is the third mistake which is done by the newbie entrepreneur. So now we discuss the fourth point, is that the expecting result without doing efforts. This is a common mistake which is done by the newbie entrepreneur, that people think that if they start a business, it means that they will become millionaire overnight. So it is not possible, man. In business you have to do hard work. You have to do you have to invest your day and night in your business, then you will become succeed. But the problem is that newbie entrepreneur will not give effort, and they think that they will be successful in their business. So that is common mistake and biggest mistake which is done by the newbie entrepreneur. So think about that. Without doing hard work, you will never succeed in your business. So we have discussed the fourth point. Now the fifth point is that you know copy others. This is a major problem which is done by the newbie entrepreneur or the people who started their business. Taking inspiration from the other people, it's good, but copying from the other people is not good. It will not good for you, it is not good for your business. Because you see that, I will give one example. If one ice cream seller started their shop, and most of the if the ice cream seller started their shop, and the people start taking from ice cream from him, and they earning lots of money from selling ice cream. New people also see they are doing, they earn lots of money, and they copy their business and start another the another ice cream vendor, just the opposite to that man. So this is bad idea, right? You will not succeed by copying other people. So be unique in your business. If you have USP, it means that unique selling proposition, then you will easily successful in your business, and you will become the market leader in your in your field, right? So don't try to copy other people. So now the sixth, the mistake which is done by the the newbie entrepreneur is that they are not the passionate about his business. And I think the most of the people, they started their business to earn money. They don't have knowledge, or they don't have passionate about that work which he want to do in business. They copy other people, and he think that if he earn money, he can also earn money. Yeah, you can also earn money, but if you are not passionate about your, you will never succeed in your business. So always try to do business related to your interests, so you can easily easily become successful in your life, because in that work you have interest. So if you have interest, you will do lots of hard work, and you will become easily successful in that business. So I have also covered the six mistake which is done by newbie entrepreneur. So now the last and the seventh point is that, which is seven mistake done by the newbie entrepreneur, is that not doing it alone. In starting, it's okay, you can start yourself, but after some time, if you not hire the people, you will never grow in your business. You will stuck at the one point, right? So this is very important, that hire someone. If your business will start growing, hire someone to support you, right? This is very important, so then you can grow, grow in your business. Otherwise you will stuck in your life, and you will never grow in your business. So if you want to grow your business, hire the people, and hire which is hire not anyone people, hire which is who is fit in your business, then hire. Otherwise you will spoil your company by hiring the wrong people, because hiring right people is very important in our business. So I have covered the seven mistake which is done by entrepreneur. So I want to again recap all the points. Is that number one point I have share with you, that which is mistake done by the entrepreneurs, that first of all, they have no plan. Second point is that spending too much money for no for at the first time. So this is also not good. And the third point I have shared with you, that expecting the fast result without doing effort, right? And the fourth step I have shared with you is that the hiring people soon. This is a mistake which is done by the people. And the fifth point I have shared with you, that the copying other. And the sixth point I have shared with you, that no passionate about your business. And the seventh is that do it alone. So I hope this video is valuable for you. So if you get any value from this video, please share this video to your friends, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. So I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching this video.